everyone. I am Dr. Priyanka Alurkar, consultant radiation oncologist. I am working at Apollo Hospital, Ahmedabad presently and also as a visiting consultant in Saraswati Hospital. Today I am going to discuss about the role of radiotherapy in prostate cancers. Now, radiotherapy means use of high energy X-rays used to damage the DNA and kill the cancer cells. In case of prostate cancers, radiation can be used in various stages and with various intentions. First is when the cancer is localized in a very early stage in the prostate gland itself. Radiation can be used as the sole modality of treatment. Second, when the disease is locally advanced, that is, it has spread outside the prostate gland to the nearby structures, it can be used along with hormonal therapy. Third, when the disease is very advanced and it can be used to palliate symptoms like pain, etc. Sometimes when the patient undergoes surgery, the prostate is removed completely, we give radiation to prevent a recurrence in future. Now there are two ways in which radiation can be delivered. First is external beam radiotherapy or EBRT, and the second is brachytherapy. External beam radiotherapy is delivered by a machine known as linear accelerator, also known as LINAC in short. So the beam of X-rays is directed from the head of the machine into the patient's body where the tumor is lying. It is a simple OPD procedure where the patient is asked to come for treatment from Monday to Friday, and the treatment goes on for about 7 to 8 weeks. But now with modern techniques, we are also able to shorten the duration of treatment to 4 to 5 weeks. The second modality is brachytherapy, or it is also known as internal radiation. So it technically means insertion of small radioactive seeds or needles inside the body of the patient, and it delivers the radiation in the tumor and surrounding areas. The possible side effects of radiotherapy are diarrhea, sometimes very rarely blood in the stools, burning micturition, rarely blood in the urine, erectile dysfunction can happen, and also some side effects of radiation which are there for any patient, that is fatigue, tiredness, nausea and vomiting. With advanced radiotherapy techniques, we are better able to focus the radiation beam towards the tumor area and thus sparing the surrounding healthy tissue, so the patient has very less side effects. Thank you.